This video explores the architecture of coherence, a unified framework designed for mathematics, physics, and intelligence. We face two great frontiers, the rift in physics between general relativity and quantum electrodynamics, and the enigma in mathematics, the Riemann hypothesis. The proposed foundational law is informational coherence. The universe is governed by the conservation and coherence of information, a principle as fundamental as symmetry or energy conservation. Pillar 1 is conjecture X, the minimum requirement for coherence. It asserts that wave functions, through their mathematical structure, serve as universal models for all bounded systems, ensuring quantum mechanics can describe interactions across scales. The zipper argument defends conjecture X. Attacking it implicitly challenges the foundations of physics, including QED and Bell's theorem, leading to a contradiction with foundational physics. Pillars 2 and 3 introduce conjecture O, interpretability as gauge accountability, and conjecture I, information as a conserved current. These ensure information flow is a trackable, conserved quantity within an auditable structure. Application 1 is resolving the Riemann hypothesis. The framework shows the critical line res equals 1/2 is not merely a conjecture, but a logical necessity arising from the inherent coherence of bounded systems. The trilemma explains why the critical line is necessary. Any deviation violates symmetry, conservation, or boundedness. The critical line is the only path that simultaneously satisfies all three conditions. The 12-step framework provides a rigorous geometric algebra derivation, resolving the Riemann hypothesis by applying the principles of symmetry, conservation, and boundedness. Application 2 is a foundational bridge for unifying physics. Conjecture X extends quantum mechanics without adding new variables, establishing informational coherence as the common standard across both quantum mechanics and general relativity. Application 3 is an operating system for thought. The principles provide a foundation for decision coherence in intelligent systems, modeling human decisions, and offering implications for truly intelligent AI that demonstrates coherence and interpretability. The philosophical bedrock is the information plane, or I-plane, a unified model for knowledge evolution. Its structural elements are the 9 stones of foundational logic and truth, which form the basis of informational calculus. The 9 stones define the elements of coherent knowledge, from the I-plane foundation to the final unified equation, providing a complete structural and dynamic model for information. The framework culminates in informational calculus, a system to analyze the flow, conservation, and coherence of information across quantum, relativistic, and cognitive contexts. One architecture addresses 3 grand challenges: resolving the Riemann hypothesis, unifying physics, and setting a standard for interpretable intelligence. We must agree on the equations that govern our mission-critical systems.